till the day I die. Hey, swing those hips around. Can't stop, roll back down. My ladies, short, tall, thin or wide, always
Welcome on my YouTube channel. So, dear friends, I have now here on the table the next pair of, I can say, legendary Tesla ARS 824. They arrived here a few days ago together with incredible nice old stereo amplifier Transient TW40 Junior, and also do-it-yourself, and also with do-it-yourself turntable SG80 Junior. Watch my previous video. It was the case when I must sit in my car and drive for these audio devices about 100 miles on the highway in traffic jams and so watch my previous videos. Unfortunately, these boxes have enclosures. The wood is in very bad condition, as you could see at the beginning of this video, so I will not use this miracle solution, this Diava. It has no sense. But the speakers are in pretty nice condition, everything okay. Yes, the previous owner was inside because the both speakers or the speakers are both not in the same position, as you can see, and also the cables. These are original cables and these are new cables. They were produced in 70s, like the previous audio in my previous videos, and from the stamp here we can see the date of production, 24th October 1978. So it's little less than 50 years old. We have now 2025, so if I count it correctly, 47 years old. And also the front covers are in bad condition, so I will not put them in normal living room, but in garage or anywhere in winter garden in front of house. It's possible to use them because they are the second best Tesla boxes, two-way in such a dimension, 33 centimeters ever made. The best ones in 4 ohms are the Tesla ARS 820. These are 824. I will show you the speakers which are inside. I will not dismount them because the boxes are sounding pretty good, so it has no sense to open them. Inside are crossovers with huge coils, and the bass speaker is the Tesla ARN567, the best bass speaker in 165mm dimension ever made from Tesla. So this is the bass speaker. And as the tweeters are, I must say, I love these tweeters, Tesla ARV161. Here's the label, maybe you can read it. On this is the label in worse condition. So let's try them. The track number 3 from YouTube library only, song Motorbike. Left channel, right channel, stereo. How do you like the sound? Write me in comments. For me, these boxes pretty nice sounding. Not for a living room without restoration of the surface, but anywhere, as I told before, in the garage, okay. So thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing my YouTube channel, and if you like my or our videos, you can also join our channel. So have a nice day.